gorgeous people. This is Ambizzares DIY and other stuff. My name is Meeks. Today is Subscription Box Saturday, and I have for you another Walmart limited edition box. So, since it is Black History Month, they created a box for Black History. It's called Beauty Through Unity. This one was $9.98, and I actually stumbled upon it by accident. I went on their website to try to pull some photos for another box that I had of theirs, and I saw this one available, so I snatched it up. So, without further ado, let's see what's inside. Okay, guys, so here's my box. I really like what they have on the front of this box here. They have all of these African-American women. I'm digging her hair. You guys might see this kind of hairstyle on me very soon. I think that looks super cool. I'm definitely going to try it out. And as you can see, it says Beauty Through Unity. And then it says a Black History Month collection. All right, guys, let's pop her open. Woo! Okay, so we have a little thing in here. And it does not tell you anything about the products. So it just tells you about the artist, Alexis Iki. I'm not really sure how to say that. She's an illustrator and designer based in Toronto. I'm assuming that's Toronto, Canada. I'm just saying, because there's a small town called Toronto in Ohio. I'm just throwing that out there. Inspired by Renaissance portraits, her faith in earth tones, she aims to increase the representation of Black women in design and offer a space for deep reflection. Okay, so obviously she's the one who did this cover for them, so that is very cool. All right, so let's find out what's in here. Oh, I didn't show you guys what it looks like. I'm going to grab that off, but you guys get the idea. That's what it looks like inside when you pop it open. I'm going to grab this first thing on top here. It says Tailored Beauty Curl Antidote Curling Cream. Okay, so a lot of Black people have curly hair, naturally curly frizzy hair, and this would help with that to make you style your hair naturally instead of doing what I do and flat ironing it and stuff like that. So here's the product. That's what it looks like. I do have curly hair naturally, but I never wear it in a curly state. So I don't even know. Oh, you know what? I can pass this off to my niece. I was going to say, I don't even know who I could pass this off to who wears their hair in their natural curl. My niece does, and she is absolutely stunning. This would be a great thing for me to pass along to her. So there you go. Awesome. All right, the next thing in here is Coconut and Hibiscus Illuminating Body Lotion. So it says Shea Moisture, I guess, is the brand. Okay, there you go. That's actually a nice little size bottle there for a sample, and it is 3.2 fluid ounces. Can't smell it, guys. Why I can't? Oh, there's why you can't smell it. So I actually came prepared. Woo! All right, I'm gonna go. Well, do I need that, or can I? No, I don't even need them. Came prepared, didn't need it. All right. Ooh, wow. Now that smells super good. Okay, all right. I'm down, Walmart. I am down. You guys all know that I love anything to help my hands. Okay, so this is a leave-in conditioner, Coconut Shea, Refresh and Renew. It's by Eden Body Works. Okay, so I definitely use a leave-in conditioner on my hair, my real hair, all the time because it definitely needs it. So this will be something that I will definitely use. Oh my gosh, you guys, that coconut smell is just amazing. I hate coconuts. I won't eat anything coconut, but the smell is amazing. All right, that is great. I'm loving that. So, okay, 2 products so far are awesome. Black OPL, I guess is how it's pronounced, not opal. Precision Eye Definer Crayon. All right. I always need a crayon, guys. I cannot use those liquid eyeliners or anything. I always use a crayon. Here is the product. Awesome, awesome. I am super stoked about that because the crayon that I have, I don't know what how that brand is pronounced. I mean, it looks like, you know, something else, but I think it's Douce or something like that. Anyways, oh. Well, shoot. It's brown. Well, that just deflated everything I just said. Okay. Darn it. Does it say that on there? Oh, it says coffee bean. Yeah, I missed that. So coffee bean is not going to work for me. I was super stoked, and now I'm not. Here's There you go. That's what it says. So it looks like my niece is going to make out with 2 products in this box because I can't use that either. So we have Vegan Beauty Lips, Vegan Liquid Matte. It is a lipstick. It's long wearing with jojoba oil. Oh, it's the lip bar. Oh, guys, I've heard about the lip bar, but I have never tried any of their products. So obviously this would, I'm guessing, I will definitely have it popped up for you guys, but I'm guessing this is a full-size product. This is 0.24 fluid ounces. Okay. It says Vegan Beauty for All. Okay. Well, we're going to pop this open. So it looks like I'm going to be able to keep 3 things. That's not bad. I don't know what else would be full-size. Oh, the, oh, look at this. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so that's what it looks like when I open it up. What else would, oh, the eyeliners probably. Ooh. Okay now. Oh, there you go. Now, I'll probably wear a shimmer over top of this because I do like, you know, shiny stuff. But, ooh, that's a nice color. Okay, I am down, guys. All right. The lip bar. I'm down. I think that color will look pretty good on me, you know, when it's on my lips and not on my hand. I am definitely feeling a sneeze coming on. So that's all I got for you guys in this Walmart beauty box. Again, this one was $9.98. You can get it on the Walmart beauty website, which I think is beautybox.com. Or I don't know. I'll pop it up for you guys because I really don't remember. But this one was $9.98. I don't know if it's still available. You have to jump over there and find out. I will also link it in the description box below. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambizzares DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Ugh! Alright. It just gets on my nerves. Like, I can see it creeping on the camera, and it drives me friggin' nuts. Alright. And today is Subscription Box Saturday, and I have for you another Walmart box. Beauty Through Unity. Totally forgot what it was called. Beauty Through Unity, a Black History Month collection. Let's try it again. Okay, guys, so. I don't think that worked. All right, try it again. Okay, guys, so. I'm going to get this right. Okay, guys, so. I'm going to get it right. One more time.